Good evening, sir. My name is John Wesley. I'm doing this video for the 8th experiment of Flutter Lab. This experiment is a modification of previous lab, where we add the products into the Firebase database. This is much simpler. Instead of just adding data, this app lets you search for a specific product in Firebase cloud database, and the UI is much simpler now. It has a search bar. It has a search bar and a search button. When I find a product, its details will appear. I have also a specific feature. It will show a low stock warning if the quality is low. First, let's search for a product that I know in the database, that is books. When I search for it books, it shows name books, quantity 10, price 80. I'll see 80. When I search for mobiles, it will show the mobiles name, quantity, and the price. It connects Firebase database, finds product, then displays its name, quantity, price right here. You can also see the stock warning because the quantity is low. Let's search for which is a product which is not here. See, it shows product not found. It searches the database, finds no results, and correctly displays the message product not found. Now let's do this is a database for the 8th experiment. Product details and the products that we have here in the fields. Now let's go to the code Gradle, where it shows the our Android database, Firebase database crossbar class path. This Google services.json is a file that I got when I tried to create the app in the Firebase database. You have to download it and copy paste it in the app folder. This is the main UI path file, and this is the YAML file. Whenever we save something in it and refreshes it, it will download those dependencies. These two are the dependencies that we need to run this lab. Firebase Core 3.40, Cloud File Store 5.44. Now let's go to the main dart. At the top, the main functions are the same. It's async and has widget, filter, Firebase initialize app, Firebase Core dot material dot. Inside the code we have the controllers. The search controller is text editing controller to get the text from the search bar. These are the variables: product name, quantity, price, and a message. We'll hold the details of the product after we find it. It is start empty, and the message string will hold errors messages like product not found. Future void search products async. This search product function is the core of the app. It's async function because it has to wait a response from the Firebase network. String name, this line it gets the text from the search controller, uses trim to remove any accidental spaces. Final query, await Firebase database dot instance. This is the most important part. The call await. It is used to start building a query. Dot collections. It tells it which collections to search. Where this is a filter. I'm asking Firebase to only give me documents where the name fields, it exactly says to the name variable from our search bar. Get, this is the command line that executes the search, uh, fetches the data one time. This is different from snapshots, which was real time list. We use .get because we only want to search when the user presses the button. Query docs is not empty. After awaiting the results, this if statement checks if query dot is not empty. This means did we find at least one document that matches uh, first data. If we did, this line gets the very first matching document, converts data into a map. If the query or docs was empty, meaning it was false, then the else block runs. Here I call set state again, but this time I clear the product details, setting product name to empty. I set message to product not found. This means the error message appear. Build method. Finally, the build method creates the UF based on those state variables. Here in the text field, our search controller and elevated button, which calls search product function when pressed. Products info, these are the input fields. Product name, it is what it searches. Text, it is the button that we are creating search. When you click on it, if the product is found, then it will display these details: name, quantity, price, and your stock. And if it is not found, it will show product not found. This is a special feature. It's an extra conditional check. If the quantity is not null and less than 5, it will show low stock warning message in red. Conclusion. This is how the search app works. It uses text field to get user input, builds a fire query with where to filter by name, uses .get to fetch data just once, and then uses set state conditional widgets to display either the product details or an error message. Thank you.